Welcome back to my channel, my people. Today I dey cook the king of Urhobo soup, Oghwo Evwri. This soup now they cook for better people. The meaning of that soup, it means say oil soup. Make I show now how they cook am. So make I start with the most important ingredient. Na be starch. Usi. Without starch, the Owho not be anything. So some people they use garri, but me I like to use starch. So I dey use dry meat tiko. Na me make am. I make am for inside oven. I dry na different sizes na e dey. I go show now how they do the thing. So I buy snail. This na snail for store, na smoked snail. Now I go still use. I don already cook the pomo. So this na still dry fish. I buy am for store for the smoky flavor. I dey use pepper, I dey use ground crayfish, maggi, salt. This salt I not think say I go need am, but just in case I need am. So I wan show una these two things. This na native salt. Na dey take dey cook Owho soup. See am, see as e be. Then this na potash. Na dey call cow. So this na be wetin dey take dey cook Owho soup, and e dey very difficult to get. So but if you not see the thing, you go fit use cow. People dey use cow. Then when you use cow, you go use salt. But the native salt, when you dey use that, the native salt na salt. You no need to use salt. But the cow, if you dey use am, you have to put salt. Na be the difference. So if you not fit get the native salt, use cow. Na still the same work. Only say you go put salt. So I'm going this oil wey be say I wan use now this one resemble the real Urhobo oil, the native oil wey they take dey cook Owho soup. If you use the thick one, the Urhobo oil dey sweet, but if you use the normal regular oil, you fit use am, but e no dey sweet like when you use that native oil take cook the thing. So like I talked before, use wetin you get. Oil na oil, but I just dey tell you in case you no know say the difference. So use whichever you get, it go still be Owho soup. So may we go back to the starch. The starch now they take dey cook Owho soup normally, but if you not fit get starch, you go fit use garri. But some people they mix garri and the starch. I not see any reason. We just need something to thicken the soup. Now starch now they use. When you not get starch, now you go use garri take do am. And the garri you go soak am for water first, cold water, before you put am inside. So this na how I take cook the pomo. I just put maggi, salt and Cameroon pepper. I just cook until the thing is soft. Then I throw away the water. I know they use the water. The maggi and the pepper go make the thing sweet. So I don't soak the snail for hot water. So I just carry brush. They brush the dirty way, because not me smoke am. So the way that they handle and sand the day. So I use am dey scrub. The soaking go help the thing quick release the dirt like that. So I just go in dey scrub am, scrub all the dirt like that. So when I don finish, now I can use cook am. But if you cook the thing small, then wash the thing, na still the same thing. So I go just go in, scrub them like this till I don do the thing finish. So while I dey wash, make I throw away salute to all those people wey say don subscribe, that they like my video, that they watch, that they invite their friends. Thank you. God bless you. So I don't wash the snail finish, ready to cook. So this na the fish. Now the same thing, I still soak am for hot water. So I go still scrub am like that, because na still the same thing. Sand the day, if you not wash and comot like that, you go surprise say sand go full your food like that. So I still dey comot the bone. As the thing don soft like this, I go just comot the bone, scrub, make sure say the sand not dey inside. Not be only dry fish and dry meat na dey take dey cook Owho soup, although e dey make the thing dey tastier. But if you use fresh meat, even the pomo sef fresh. So I don't put water for fire. I dey throw the tiko, because the thing really dry, so you need to rehydrate the thing. So I go put all the tiko inside the water, so e go dey cook join. I don't add the snail because the two of them be the same. So now the thing don dey boil for a few minutes. So now they add the oil because the oil need to cook. If you know they cook oil make it done the thing you go they taste the rawness. So quick they put oil for food. So you don't dey boil now. I don't put the pepper. You fit put pepper as you like. If you like pepper, put more. So the crayfish too don't go inside. So I go let the thing cook. So I just dey mix them together make it cook. The thing don dey boil, e don cook for a while. So I dey throw the fish, the dry fish inside. So I go come add the native salt. The work of native salt or potash na to marry the water with the oil so that they go become one. So I go dey mix am. The thing dey foam o. That's why you dey put am for halfway so that the thing no go boil throway. Some people dey soak their oil. If you soak your this thing, especially if they use account get sand, so you need to soak account. But native salt, just throw am inside. E no get sand like potash. That means account. So I go just dey there because the thing fit boil throway if you leave am like that. The thing go just dey boil dey go. So I just dey make sure say I dey mix am make the thing no boil throway. I hope so una don like this video. If una still there dey watch and that mean una like am, una like am. So I dey add the kpomo. The kpomo really done well when I make me not quick put am. So now I dey add the kpomo. So I dey add the seasoning cube. If you put am on time. So I just dey mix. I dey make sure say the thing combine. Say the oil not separate for anywhere. I dey combine. I just dey look and dey make sure say the thing really don marry. The oil and the water don become one. So now I wan add the starch. You first liquefy the starch. Make sure say water dey. Not let am sit down. So na like this I go pour am. As I dey pour am, I dey move around for the top. See, not be just inside, na just the top so that the thing not go form seed. Because see, if you get the way you go pour am, the thing go form seed. If you want make it smooth, you have to make sure say the thing blend well. So now what I dey do, then I come go in move am small, just mix am so that the starch go enter everywhere. Now so I go let am cook small, then check to see whether I need more starch. Una know how many people dey fear to cook this soup because this soup na soup wey be like say every time when you cook am e be like say you dey learn the thing again. So make una like this video, abeg una. Make una share am. Subscribe if you never subscribe, abeg. So I dey check to see whether the thing need more starch. The thing need more, so I go just do am the same way I just do. Na just the top to avoid make the thing no form seed like that. So I go just put am for the top, do am like that, then give am one big mix together. Hell, see Oghwo Evwri. Hey God o, starch dey call my name. Hell, see, e don dey cook, e don thick finish. See as soup don thick o. Hey, make una start to spray me money o. Make una dey spray me money. Make una dey like the video. Make una share am. Give all those people wey be say they dey look for how to take learn the thing. Say see this soup. This soup na yanga soup o. If you just do anyhow with this soup, you go see anyhow. Hey God o. See Owho soup. Hell, oh God o. Hell. I just want to appreciate all those people who say don't subscribe before. If you never subscribe, this na good time to subscribe. Click the subscribe button. Like the video. I try. Make una like the video. Make una invite una friends. Say make una call see person wey sabi cook Urhobo soup. Then make una not forget to click the notification bell because whenever I upload video, it go tell you say I don upload new video. Hey God o, see Oghwo. Anytime wey dem dey eat Oghwo soup na with starch, usi, yam or unripe plantain. Oh, thank you guys for watching though. I really appreciate you. Till I see you next time. Bye.